Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing. Looks like one of the pieces of jewelry came out. And normally we get like a full sheet insert. I have a return label here, and it looks like they just put it on here this time. So I got two tops, a bottom, a dress, earring, necklace, and bracelet. And if you haven't watched my unboxings, you only keep what you like. If there's anything you don't like, you put it back in the pink bag with the packing slip and you send it back. Super easy. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm excited. Let's take a look at this. I definitely don't own anything this color. I am very boring with my fashion. Well, that's cool. One of the shoulders is cut out, but the other one isn't. I like the kind of mustard color in the bottom of it too. That's neat. I do like that. Hippie chick. Then we have this really pretty kind of like wraps in the front. Have to wear something under it, but ties on the side. That's pretty cute as well. It's dressy. I will have to hang these up and take a picture so you guys can get a better idea of what it looks like. Is that a skirt? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I haven't gotten a skirt yet, but I'm excited for this. This is super cute. I don't have any skirts. I'm not very girly, really. I wear a lot of, well, I wear like leggings and jeans, but I just wear like simple tops, sometimes band t-shirts. I don't really care too much, but I do like the outfits that I've gotten from here and the tops. And people are like, oh, that looks cute. So they could tell it's like a little bit dressier than what I normally wear. So I like that. And then this is a dress. So long sleeve. I wonder if there's any pockets. Some of the dresses they've sent in the past had pockets, and I totally didn't realize it until I tried it on. Doesn't look like this one does. But that just goes straight down. That would actually look pretty cute with leggings. And then we have some jewelry pieces. Nice little bracelet. I have really little wrists, so that goes on there pretty nicely. That's cute. Some earrings. These are interesting. So it's a big circle and then like a smaller one that kind of dangles in front of it. That's kind of neat. And then a necklace, and everything kind of goes together, which is half the battle for me. Probably the biggest part of the battle on trying to put something together that looks cute and like things match. I'm always jealous of the people that can just do that so effortlessly. So this definitely helps with that. They kind of give you everything that coordinates. So if you guys are interested, I will put the names of these items below and how much they cost. And I will put a promo code below in case you want to try it. You get free shipping with your first order. And yeah, check out my other videos for Nadine West if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.